stress by delaying it, Okay, this is what happens when we are depending on technology. Not to worry. How much time I have, sir? Huh? 1.5. 1.5. Okay. This is my habit. Before I start my program, to ask for the organizer how much time I have. The reason is that once I was called by a Rotary Club in Baroda. In Baroda they call it Rotary Club. Then I asked it, but we are going to be here for half an hour. So, just to avoid that, it is better to ask. Okay? Good. There are n number of reasons why you are here. Because sometimes what happens, circular comes, faculty have got no choice. Because principal will count the heads, so many people are there. Student can have n number of reasons, they can burn. But when somebody has come here, I am not telling that you are under that category. That if you have come, because I am forced to come here, that we call it a prisoner's category. Because I have no choice. Because I am sitting here. The second category is that, okay, let us take a off from our lectures, and go and sit there, relax. There is no problem, no botheration of students or no botheration of professors. So that is called tourist mindset. So we have come here as a tourist. Yes, take a relaxation for 2 hours, no botheration. The third approach is that, let us go to the lecture, we will learn something. Because always we listen to somebody, we will learn at least one point we will learn. So that is called explorer. So I don't know what attitude you are carrying, but my aim is going to be by end of this session, you should go with an idea that, explorer. That is my aim. Okay? Here I am not going to make a more PowerPoint presentation. I want it to be a participative. Okay. So stress management, many times you might have read, many times you might have heard, but I am taking a totally different angle, which, over a period when I will fold, you will understand. First, I would like everybody to note down in one line, what is stress? Express your views. Please take a 1 minute time and write down what is the stress. Okay, can somebody tell what is the stress? Nobody knows the right answer. I also do not know. Don't worry about that.
Unsteady state of mind.
Unsteady state of mind. Correct. Yes.
Any nagging thought.
Any nagging thought. Okay, back of the mind. Okay. First time I heard nagging thought, I was under impression only wives are only nagging. Okay. Okay.
Dissatisfactory feeling.
Dissatisfactory feeling. Correct.
Reactions of our brain and body.
Reactions of our brain and body.
For our
Yes.
certain problem which are related.
A problem arises day to day. That is the stress. Yes. महिलाओं के लिए कुछ नहीं है, इनके लिए 50% रिजर्वेशन नगर पालिका में, कारपोरेशन में अपने सेंट्रल में 33% and participation 0, ये नहीं चलेगा. Something, because most of the time when I talk to gents alone, they give the reason that who is the source of the stress. And you are keeping quiet. That is not good. Okay. Everything is right, There are n number of reasons. Nobody is wrong. Yes.
For mechanical student, it is both of one area.
I'm sorry. I'm not dealing with that stress.
But he's right.
He's right.
Pressure creates strain and strain creates stress.
Stress, correct. Same is in the human body also. Okay. What else? You people don't have stress? Okay.
Tourists don't have stress.
Tourists. Only prisoners have more stress. 2 hours, waiting here is a very, very difficult thing, Yes, you are right. Okay. Just to understand, what is the stress? Okay. Now, let us understand why stress is there. I will explain to you. You see, many times in an interpersonal relationship, most of the time, either stress happens. And what is the confusion? Why it happens? You see, in Gita, last 2 lines, because the beginning, Dhritarashtra asked the question and closing answer was given by Sanjay. There are 18 chapters, because Gita starts in all our scriptures, the question is raised in the beginning and answer is given at the end. So when Dhritarashtra asked Sanjay whether my children are going to win the war or not, he said, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Srir Vijayara Bhuti, Dhruva Nitir Patil. What is the meaning of this is, where there is a Sri Krishna, where there is a Arjun, there is bound to be victory. And it is not only victory, he is going to have Nitimatta, prosperity, wealth, and everything is there. But what is mandatory? And Sri Krishna and Arjun has to be there together. That is basically. Yatra Yogeshwar Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Srir Vijayara Bhuti, Dhruva Nitir Patir. Now what is the meaning of this? This is the meaning I have told you. What is the role of Sri Krishna? In Mahabharata, what is the role of Sri Krishna? Was he warrior? No, he was a driver. Yeah, he was a driver. No, he didn't play the role of Chakradhari there. No. Sarthi. He was a Sarthi. Sarthi. So when these 2 cousins, because they are all first cousins, Sri Krishna, Pandava and Kaurava, they are all first cousins. When Kaurava and Pandava went to Sri Krishna, then because both Bada Mama, Chota Mama ke bache hai, for him, Sri Krishna, everybody was equal. He said, whatever you want, you tell me. Because I have divided like this. One side my army, my wealth, other side I am there, and whatever you want, you tell me. Kaurava said, we don't want you. We want your army. Pandava said, we want you. He said, now listen to me. There is one more condition. Na dhari shastra hati. I am not going to fight for you. But I am going to play the role of, driver. That is called path maker. Sarthi's role is that he decides from which angle you have to fight the war. He takes the warrior to the strategic places for fighting the war. It is not only running the chariot. That was the strategic role of Sri Krishna. That he was making the path of the war. But I will not fight. What was the role of Arjun? Arjun's role was taking the actions and fighting the war. He was not deciding the strategic thinking. That strategic thinking and path making was left to Sri Krishna, and the actions taken was by Arjuna. So what is the meaning of this is that Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, जहाँ श्री कृष्ण है वहाँ अर्जुन है, तत्र श्री वहीं पे विजय होता है. That means strategic thinking, path maker thinking, or deciding the goals or deciding the aim and taking the actions as per the aim, if both the things are combined together, then you become a successful person. I hope I am with you. And that is what exactly we do in our life. Because when I go for a morning walk early in the morning, I see in the Nasik 14-year, 15-year boys, girls going on the scooties, bicycle, from this class to that class, this class. What is the aim in their life? That I want to take admission in a good engineering college. I want to become an engineer. I want to become a doctor. They do that. And then they go to engineering college. Then I want a good placement. They go to the good institutes. Then they become a manager, general manager. They think and they achieve it. They think, they achieve it. Then what is our problem? We do this one, as per the Gita. We do everything for materialistic achievement. Because even if you ask a small boy, he knows what type of a wife you want. त्याला विचारा बायको कशी पाहिजे, बोरी पाहिजे, उंच पाहिजे, नाकाने नीट पाहिजे, सगळं त्याला माहिती आहे. We know how to upbring our children. We know what are the things we require in our life. Then what we don't know? We don't know one thing. What type of a person we want to become, that we don't know. We never sit back and think, what type of a husband I should become, what type of a wife I should become, what type of a son I should become, what type of a sister I should become. That is what we never think of it. Because we are having n number of roles in our life. I am a student, I am a professor, I am a teacher, I am a student, I am a father, I am a son, I am a brother, I am a sister, I am mother-in-law, I am mother. There are n number of roles we are having. And not a single time in our life we think that what type of a person we should become. That means what type of a nature we should have. We think everything other than that. And that is what it creates a problem and stress in our life. In my opinion, this is the basic cause that we never think that what type of a husband we should become. But everybody knows what type of a wife you want. Because we don't do introspection ourselves. That is our problem. In interpersonal relationship, there are n number of expectations from others, but what I am supposed to know, we never devote our time or devote time. In my opinion, that is the basic cause of our stress in our life. Okay. Then another confusion in our mind is what? Are we trying to be Sukhi or Anandi in our life? We all are, here all sections of people are here. What are we? What we do our love. We are all successful people. Here, sitting. I am not telling, not a single person is not successful here. But what are we trying to achieve in our life? Because the purpose I will tell you why I am using the word particular and not English in Hindi or Sanskrit. Are we trying to be Sukhi or Anandi? Yes, come on. Okay. Take that. What are you trying to do? Anandi. Okay? Anandi. What are we doing for achieving that? Okay, we are all striving to become Anandi, but what are we trying to get it for that? What is, for becoming Anandi in our life, what are you trying? What do you achieve? What do you get? What are your efforts for becoming Anandi? आनंद मिळण्यासाठी आपण काय काय गोष्टी आणतो किंवा अचीव करतो असं वाटतं. माझे करतो. आपण काय करतो? पैसे बरोबर आहे काय तुम्ही पैसे कमवतो, अर्निंग वाढवतो आणि पैशातनं काय काय आणतो आपण? कम्फर्ट साठी काय काय करतो आपण? उदाहरण द्या म्हणजे आपल्याला बरं वाटतं. मला कळत तुम्हाला काय म्हणायचे. हा, काय काय